Hello everyone and welcome to MK Tech. In today's video, we're going to be test driving a 2018 Ford F-150 Whipple Supercharged. Except this time around, I will be the passenger. Enjoy today's vlog. What up, Paul?
My man, Mike.
Man, bro, thanks for coming out here, bro.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
How we doing?
Oh man, it's good, man. How you doing?
Oh man, business is good. Been busy. All this building going on in the area, man. It's.
Well, I got a little surprise for you today, man.
Oh, really?
Bam.
Wow. Oh. So explain this, man. This is too much to take in. Wow.
So obviously what we're looking at, this is the 2.9 liter blower.
Okay.
On a 5.0 liter Coyote engine, right? It's the same engine that goes into the Mustangs.
Really?
You got the blower on top, is your intake right here. You got your 3.75 inch pulley, and pulley plays a big role in superchargers.
Let's start it. I'm getting a little anxious here. Can I drive this thing?
So this is all about, bro. I want you to drive it.
Rev it. Woo! Wow. So what are you getting per mile, per gallon?
If you really go at it, you can get down anywhere from 16 to 14 miles per gallon. But the highway mileage is usually, you average anywhere from 18 to 20
All right.
with a supercharger,
'Cause
which is really good.
so far, feels like a normal truck.
Exactly right. And that's what I should feel.
Which is kind of nice. I like to have the power when I need it, but also, just the daily driving when I need it as well.
Every operation that comes from Ford, it stays all the same and it's fully functional. You have an option to turn off the traction to put yourself into,
Beast mode.
beast mode. If you can handle it, of course.
How about torque?
Torque?
Can you pull okay? Is it meant for that? Do you have to switch settings?
Oh, definitely. A turbo, you always have a lag. You need to build a boost.
Yeah.
Supercharger, you punch it and it goes. And you got the power and the torque.
So you're telling me this kicks from the gate?
Yeah, it goes.
Okay.
It goes.
Well, we're about to find out.
Go ahead. Go ahead and put a wide open throttle.
Whoa. Holy smokes. I'm already at 70.
You see what I'm saying?
Kidding me?
You see what I'm saying? The pool is there, man.
Wow, that winding noise is pretty neat too.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Woo! Man, I think the blood went just straight to my face. Whew, that was good.
Yeah? That's great.
That's addictive.
I know.
Yeah, so I love the noise coming out of the...
I know.
Is that out of the muffler, or where's that coming out
No, that's the supercharger, it's the blower.
So right out of here.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you got two different noises. You got the exhaust making one noise, and then you hear the Whipple whine, man. You know it's a Whipple. And Whipple, by the way, is by far beyond one of the best superchargers manufacturers that is today in the United States, if not say even the world.
Okay, so let's say I had a stock Ford and I wanted to get this installed. I mean, are you taking the whole top end off, or?
Well, first off, I want to tell you, the company you would contact if you're in Carolinas is Altaquico Corporation. They are Whipple Superchargers installers. So
Okay.
they would purchase the superchargers for you and install it for you. But however, a lot of dealerships across the United States or cross country, they actually offer the product. When you would walk in and purchase the vehicle, you would purchase a supercharger with the vehicle, and they'll have a professional installer install it.
I see. So you can upgrade.
Exactly. Not every dealership does it, but a majority of them.
Wow. Are there different levels of supercharger? This seems to be top notch.
This is a higher level. This is a stage 2 Whipple Supercharger. If you notice how smooth the truck is,
Very
the durability
smooth.
itself.
The way it shifts, you don't even feel 1 to 2 to 3 to 4.
Are you aware that this truck is a 10-speed auto?
I am not aware of
Yeah,
that.
you see all those gears on the side? You're in 8th gear right now.
Really?
Yeah.
And I can manually do that?
You can
as
do
well?
manually right here.
Okay.
You can actually get a setup that you can have your pedal shifters. It's custom motor. I seen a guy that actually did that. Installed a Whipple and had pedal shifters on his steering wheel in his F-150. Yeah, these things run a quarter of a mile, 10 seconds, man. A truck.
That's sports car
Yeah,
status.
do you remember Fast and the Furious? You owe me a 10-second car. Back then it was like a Supra.
So this is a 10-second truck.
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that hilarious?
Oh,
go, go, go.
That was like a 0 to 80 in like 4 seconds.
What did you think, man?
Wow. I mean, I thought I was in maybe a Porsche or something.
Yeah, man,
But no, we're in a F-150.
That's the crazy thing. It's like a sleeper, you know?
What?
Yeah.
That's 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, that feels good, huh?
It felt so natural.
But the thing is, though, did you see the needle? The speedometer, it doesn't stop. It just
does
goes.
not stop.
It doesn't slow down. As usual, you'll see it slow down the higher speed you reach.
No, it's a consistent climb.
It doesn't stop. It just hits 120 and it keeps going.
That's incredible.
I think it's time to do a burnout, Paul. Power brake it.
I'm ready.
Go ahead and give it some gas until it starts spinning. Let go. Keep holding it.
Wow. Wow. Look behind you, man. It's a cloud of smoke.
How did you like that, buddy?
That was too cool.
Yeah, that was nice, bro. That was a nice one.
All right, has the smoke cleared out yet?
No, it's clear. It's
okay.
clear.
Look at those tracks.
Look at the length on them.
I had to ease up, man. I could have kept going another quarter mile into that fence. This thing's dangerous.
I know. It's the beauty of it. It puts you on the edge every time.
Wow.
At the same time, don't forget, Paul, it is totally legal and it's totally safe.
This is street legal.
It is.
Are you sure?
Totally.
'Cause it doesn't feel like
It's just a traction button, you know? It does the trick.
that easy, right? The easy button.
All right, man. So after feeling all this power and driving around, what do you think of this whole truck?
I mean,
In
honestly,
general.
it's a whole lot to handle. My first impression was, when I first saw it sight unseen, is it's just a nice looking Ford F-150. But when you get behind the wheel and step on it, you feel like you're in a sports car. I mean, seriously. The way it shifts, the smoothness, the consistency of the speed increasing. I mean, we hit 100 miles an hour and it felt like 5 seconds.
So what would you say is your favorite part of the whole drive? Like if you would choose just one part of this whole truck, what would you say?
Well, it's hard not to choose the burnouts. I mean, that was fun. But I'm an everyday driving kind of guy. So for me, if somebody's going slow, I need to get around. I can easily zip around the car. The timing of the pedal and the performance is so on point that if I need the performance, it's right there.
Looks like it's something that you would definitely want to have one day.
Well, it depends on the price. I mean, is this affordable for the mass public? This almost seems like it's out of reach.
Oh no. Usually it's probably cheaper than your Dodge that you own right now. Exactly, because you only have the price of the truck. Usually whatever truck you pick, if you get a brand new. And then you have the Supercharger on top. That's it's under 10 grand, around 10, give or take.
Wow.
So, I mean, you're looking at the power that you're getting and of a truck compared to other trucks that you pay 70, 80 grand for.
That's right, because they're already priced in.
It's totally affordable.
Now, can you go in and fine-tune things as you go? Is there a system here, or?
Yes, there will be. It's not out yet, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek. There will be a controller that's out.
Okay.
Where the consumer will have control of the launches. Like you've seen the burnouts we did.
Yeah.
If you want to have a perfect launch, you'll be able to somewhat control that and take power in and out. So that's coming. I'm not gonna say what it is yet or when it's released.
Keep them on the hook, right?
Yeah, I can do that.
Good.
But that's something that is coming out soon. And once again, Paul, as soon as I have that, I'm gonna take you for a spin in it. Hey, I appreciate you coming out, man. I really wanted you to get your hands on it. This is a perfect opportunity. You know what a truck should feel like. You drive it, 300 miles a day, you said?
Yeah, give or take.
Exactly. So you're like a perfect candidate for this, to drive and see what it feels
Well, I've got a permanent smile on my face now. So thank you for lightening my day.
Not a problem, man. Anytime. Thank you, Whipple, for allowing us to test drive your truck. We had an awesome time, as you can see.
I agree.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All right. Beauty,
Man,
huh?
What a treat, Mike.
Yeah, man. Not a
Appreciate
problem,
you,
bro.
brother.
I hope you enjoyed it.
When's the next run?
Oh, man. Coming up soon.
Okay.
I'll get you set up.
F-250 next?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, well, this is gonna be the conclusion. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, make sure to click on that big fat subscribe button and give me that thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.